Hey, what's up, guys? Thanks for visiting my channel. My name is Gregory, and today we're going to be solving a very popular problem called Fizz Buzz on HackerRank. So, consider the following problem. Write a short program that prints each number from 1 to 100 on a new line. For each multiple of 3, print Fizz instead of the number. For each multiple of 5, print Buzz instead of the number. For numbers which are multiples of both 3 and 5, print FizzBuzz instead of the number. Write a solution or reduce an existing one so it has a few characters as possible. Okay, cool. So let's start with our code. Um, so we have to write a program for printing each number from 1 to 100, each on a new line. So let's define a variable integer n and let it make 100, and we're gonna make a for loop here. So for integer I equals 1, I less than or equals to n, and I increment. So what we're saying here is we're defining a variable I to number 1, and then we're comparing I. As long as I is less than n, which is 100, we want I to increment 1, and then we'll make our if statement. So if I modulus 5 equals 0 and I modulus 3 equals 0, then we want to print Fizz Buzz. So let me actually stop a bit here and explain what is this modulus operator. It's a special operator which says try whatever is on the left side and divide it on whatever is on the right side as many times as you can, and then give me the resulting remainder of whatever that is. So let's say if I is 1, I cannot evenly divide 1 on 5 and the remainder is gonna be 1. But if that's gonna be 5, I can divide 5 on 5 and the remainder is gonna be 0. So you're basically trying to evenly divide the left thing as many times as you can with the right thing and return whatever is left when you're done with the operation. So let's check also other conditions. Else if I times 5 equals 0, then we want the program to print buzz, and if I times 3 equals 0, then we want system to print out this, and the final else statement out.print line. We wanted to print just a number and plus space, whatever the case is. So Um, with this, if loop we're checking, first we're checking if the number is evenly divisible by 5 and by 3. If it is, we're gonna print FizzBuzz. If it is, oh, we actually need to edit this buzz. If it is evenly divisible on 5, then we want it to print buzz, and if it's evenly divisible on 3, we want it to print fizz. So for any other cases, it's just gonna print number. So let's actually run this code and see if everything is correct. Oh, as you can see, it prints all the numbers, and we have our sample test case passed. And the thing that I think is important here is when you check in several conditions and adding them together, like this, and that is happening in the same if else block, you have to put more specific checks as high up as you can. So notice that I've started with checking if 3 and 5 are evenly divisible first. And if I start checking, let's say, with this condition, then I will get to the number that is evenly divisible on 5, and it would print buzz. So if it's going to the number, let's say 15, which is evenly divisible um, on 3 and 5, it would just check and it would print buzz. It wouldn't check the condition when it is if it is evenly divisible on 3 and 5 both. So I think um, this logic helps a lot, and I like to think of it as a tree structure or upside down pyramid, where the more stuff that you're checking needs to be higher up in the pyramid and cascades down towards the peak as you're checking. So that's just my tip. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.